Hi, it's Jess here from Nigezza.co.uk. Thank you for joining me today. So today I am going to bring you a project that I'm going to make for a blog hop, and the theme of the blog hop is Pick a Sweet. So got the new mini catalogue and I kind of looked through and I thought, oh, what have I got? And I got to Artfully Composed and realised I had the entire suite. I don't very often do that, but I've got everything. So I thought, well, let's do this. Let's use this suite because I haven't used the vellum and I haven't used these beautiful faux sea glass shapes. I haven't used the ribbon either, actually. I haven't used the paper. Yeah, I've used the stamp set and dies. That's all I've used. So there we go. Let's go and have a use of this. So I thought I'd take inspiration from the catalogue. So there is 5 card ideas there. Really like that one. I like the idea there of cutting out and leaving a negative as well as a positive. And there are actually 2 different dies there. Love the way the ribbon's used behind there. I think I would move the sentiment down on that one, and then over the page there is more here where they've used the vellum. I was interested to see how they'd use the vellum. I've got other ideas for using the vellum, but that's without everything else. So some nice little ideas. I may well amalgamate some together rather than sort of do that as is. So I'm going to pick my piece of paper that I might use. I'm loving the colours in that one. Loving the colours in that one. I think I'm going to go for that, and that wants to be a portrait card, I think. So I'm going to cut a card blank. Might not use it as a full card base. I'll go to my layer there, which is 3 7/8, and then we'll go down to 5 5/8. So I'll get there 5 5/8 out there. Go down to that line. Perfect. So that is a card blank size, which is always good to start with. I may well change it, but that's a start. I thought I might do some die cuts. So we've got a similar shape to that. I could stamp and die cut, or I could just die cut a couple of these. That one and that one. And maybe do that idea of cutting one out of a piece of paper, piece of cardstock, and layering the other one on top of in 2 different colours. Okay, so I've got my bits together. So normal sized card base, that's half a sheet of A4. I've got a mat in basic white for the inside. I've gone for just jade. So we've got the card mat size there of the DSP. I have cut some vellum to go across the centre there so that it's not fully covering up the pattern paper, but it's giving it a bit of a space. So that's 3.5 by the same width as my card base there. I cut a rectangle there, which I cut at 2 3/4 by 3 5/8, and I die cut this leaf out of there. Save that for something else. So that's gonna go on top like so. I die cut some evening evergreen in that. So that is very like the card in the catalogue, but I have changed all the papers. And you can see how different. So inspired by that, but I created something completely different. So now I need a sentiment there to go across. So I've got a bit of Whisper White, basic white. It will forever be Whisper White. And I'm gonna I'm thinking I'm gonna do Sending All the Hugs, because I haven't stamped it yet. So that was my thoughts. I thought I might do a quick show you how I put these backings on, as I've not done it yet. So peel that off, getting a craft lunch, as somebody I watch on YouTube always says. So peel it off, stick it to the back of your block. It's split in the middle there, so you can peel it up. There we go. Take your stamp, take off the backing, put on glasses if you require them. I most certainly do. And you should be able to then look down and see how it fits. I'm going over the top. And then you just press down when you've aligned it. And that is, I think, the best way of putting it on. I didn't work out doing it that way. Somebody else did. Pure genius. And that is the easiest way I find now of doing it. So there you go, just in case you didn't know that. So I think we'll go with just Jade as the ink. Or I could do Evening Evergreen, couldn't I? I'm thinking I might use these. There's a little bit of an accent on it as well. Now I'm going to go with just Jade. So let's stamp that on there. Liking that. I am thinking that I might, because I love it so much, I might use this edge die and just die cut the bottom so that it's got a bit of an edge, and I might die cut the top as well. So I'm just going to cut down there so that it's straight. So I might go to there, and then the other side about equidistant from that letter there as that one there. Yeah, about that big. That will, oh, I was just about to put that back where I put the other. So I'm going to die cut the top and the bottom of this. So that's it cut out. I quite like the way that it looks. I'm deciding whether or not I think it's actually maybe a bit too big. But no, I'm going to run with it. So I'm just going to stick them all down. So I'm going to move that out of the way. So if I think that that is basically where that's going to stick on, I can kind of see on the back there where I could put glue on the vellum. I think it's easier if I stick this to the vellum first, and then I'll know I've been doing a little bit of cleaning and I decided, new year, new little squeezy bottle for my Tombow. That was the idea. So coming out quite fast. I've just filled it, so it's coming out quite fast. So sticking that down there. So now I can see about putting some glue around there. For sticking that to this bit. And it doesn't matter that the sides aren't stuck down because it will be held in place. So a little bit of a wiggle, please. Thank you. And then that'll go up there. We're going to stick this to there. Yeah. So we've got a little bit of movement there, but I'm not too bothered. I might put a little glue dot under there and stick one of these on top. That's another way of disguising that. So I'm going to put this up on dimensionals. Put that there. And then I'm going to use these lovely faux sea glass. I could put one up there just to hold that down a bit there. So get me glue dots. Stick that there, you see, that's holding it down, and then we'll get one of these and stick it over the top, and then you don't see the dot there. I'm going to put one over here as well, and then really want to dump it tuck down, but I'm not going to. I don't think that will show up very well if I put that there, so I might put that one there that's just decided to move anyway. It was as if it was saying, pick me, Jazz, pick me. Now I'm thinking, might put a white one up there. And then we can put another one down here. Because you've got to have odd numbers. It's just the rules. I'm wondering if I can move that, including it's sticky. Right. stick that there. And that can stick down there. So I now want one there. There we go, that will do. Walk away from that, Jez, walk away. So now I just want to do a little bit of stamping on the inside. So I want to do this big leaf, I think, coming in on the inside. I think that will look nice. I think we'll do just jade again. I've put it away, but I will. Ooh. Do you know? Thinking I might stamp off. Yep, happy with that. Craft a launch again. Let's come back. Just go there and stay out of the way. I need a major clear up. Major clear up. So we'll just stick this down. And that will be, look, I dented it when I dropped my block. Never mind. Here's what it is. That is my little card. Need to redo that down the side. There we go. So a little bit of a case of catalogue. That looks completely different. So yeah, hope you like that. I will link down below to my shop so you can go and visit and buy anything that you might wish that I have used today. I will link to my blog where you can go and check out all the measurements, see some photos, and you could go and check out the Ink Stamp Share blog hop whilst you're there as well and see what other sweets people have used in this blog hop. Thanks for joining me today. Bye bye.